this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Crosshair in Recon Breakpoint. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By default, you will always have a crosshair or a reticle active. Some people would like to disable this because it can make the experience more immersive. You will be able to disable this crosshair, and you can also disable any other HUD elements. So any sort of quest indicator, any sort of marker above your friend's head, any sort of HP bar, and so on. Everything can be toggled on or off. And to do this, you have to go into these settings. So before starting the game, go into these settings and go into the interface category. So it is going to be this one with a window as the icon. So when you access the interface category and you start scrolling down, you will find Crosshair, Stamina, Weapon, and Technique. You don't have to scroll a lot. This is going to be either the second or third option from the top. And in this category, you will be able to disable the crosshair. So you can hover over the options and you can set it to never if you never want it to show. Alternatively, you can go to dynamic, where it is going to be displayed according to the context of the game. So in short, if all you want to do is disable it, set this option to never, and the crosshair will be gone. It won't appear during gameplay, meaning that you can have a more immersive and challenging experience. So all that you have to do to turn off your crosshair is to go into the interface category before starting, go into the crosshair, stamina, weapon, and technique, and disable it from here. Of course, you can disable other options like the hit marker, stamina, weapon and items display, tool information, and class technique. And there are a bunch more options to enable or disable. As you can see by the scroll bar, you can go all the way down and manage all of them. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Crosshair in Recon Breakpoint. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.